Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail app not working. So if the Gmail app isn't working properly, so whether it's crashing, freezing, not loading emails, or refusing to sync, so there are several simple fixes you can try. So first is to close Gmail completely. So swipe it up and swipe it away. Then open it again and see if that works. Next is to update the Gmail app. So you can open Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then search for Gmail. Then in here, tap update if it's available. So make sure you're using the latest version because running an older version may cause bugs. Now, next is to open your phone settings. Then in here, scroll down and go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. Scroll down and open Gmail. Then you can click Offload App. Then click Offload App again to confirm the action. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Then reinstall it again, and then it will place back your data. And once that's done, open Gmail again and see if that solves the issue. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.